to the channel. The mosquito has done it again. Today, Mullen Automotive is up 8.23% and trading at 90 cents a share. Yesterday, the stock closed at 83 cents. Today, it opened higher at 85 cents, and in the course of trading today, the stock has gone as high as 93 cents before dropping now to 90 cents. But you can see there's still quite a bit of activity, with volume sitting at 79 million shares that have exchanged hands so far today, compared to an average volume of 61 million. We still have about 2.25 of an hour to the closing bell, and the market capitalization for Mullen Automotive now sits at 428 million US dollars. Today is a good day on Wall Street, with the S&P 500 up 0.23%, the Dow 30 up 0.38%, and the Nasdaq up 0.38%. The Russell 2000 is trending upward, but it's still sitting a little bit below where it closed yesterday. It is down 0.10%, but we still have about at least 2 hours to the closing bell, and I wouldn't be surprised if by then the Russell 2000 has made up some of the losses and is actually into positive territory. Crude oil has dropped. It is now sitting at $89.07 a barrel, and that represents a drop of 3.28%. So that's the picture of what we have today concerning Mullen Automotive. Nothing in the news, just the recent update that they did with the second quarter earnings report that they put out there. Also the nomination of Mr. Andre as head of design, and also the Detroit EV team that is being put in place. So those are the things that we have concerning Mullen, which I'm sure most of you are already aware of. Do bear in mind, though, that there is a bill going through Congress, and it has some very interesting provisions concerning EVs and also plug-in hybrid. This might affect Mullen Automotive, but it's very, very comprehensive. And concerning certain very luxury EVs, those will be excluded. Concerning EVs manufactured outside of the United States, those might be excluded. And I think a very large portion of the battery has to be built in the United States. So that might be of interest to you if you are invested in Mullen Automotive. And the incentive, I think, will go as high as $7,500. Apparently, I think Nissan and Toyota might be excluded from the deal, because I think their hybrids and plug-in hybrids are not built in the United States. So please keep watch on that. This bill is going through Congress, and it looks very likely that it might go through. Senator Manchin from West Virginia was one of the holdouts, but I think they have done a few things to satisfy him and the coal industry, which is a very large employer in the state of West Virginia. So again, Mullen Automotive seems to be on the right track concerning benefits that they might reap from this bill that is going through Congress. And of course, President Joe Biden is big on renewables, and he wants to rebuild America better, but he wants to do it in a very responsible, environmentally responsible manner. So that's what I had to share with you guys today. Hopefully, I will catch you on the next video. Please, if you haven't done so, consider subscribing to the channel, and that is very helpful to us. Thanks once more for your time. Bye now.